When a car's air conditioning system is working well, but the compressor oil, visible at the system's pressure ports, appears black or contaminated, it indicates internal degradation, typically caused by metal particles or residues. These can arise from compressor wear or chemical reactions between the refrigerant and oil. This phenomenon, known as Black Death, can quickly spread and damage other system components if not addressed immediately. Recommended steps to solve the issue. 1. Before beginning any repair, it is essential to completely depressurize the system and disconnect all relevant components, such as the compressor, condenser, evaporator, and hoses. This helps prevent accidents and facilitates cleaning. 2. Use a specialized cleaning solution and an air pressure tool to remove particles and residues from each disconnected component. It is crucial to clean the evaporator, condenser, and hoses individually to ensure all contaminants are removed. This procedure should be carried out in a ventilated area to avoid exposure to chemicals. 3. In a contaminated system, replacing the dryer or desiccant filter is key, as it traps moisture and particles. A clean filter prevents contaminants from spreading and redamaging the system. 4. When reassembling the system, it is important to use new gaskets to ensure an optimal seal and prevent future refrigerant leaks. 5. Remove all the oil from the compressor crankcase and replace it with new PAG oil, adding the same amount that was removed. If the compressor has a screw or plug for adding oil, use this point. If not, add the oil through the thicker compressor line, slowly turning the compressor shaft to lubricate it internally. Remember not to expose PAG oil to the outside environment, as it can absorb moisture. 6. After confirming that the system is clean, reassemble it, ensuring the equipment is off. Check for leaks by charging with nitrogen at 200 pounds per square inch, allowing the charge to sit for several minutes, and confirming the pressure holds, which indicates no leaks. 7. If no leak is detected, remove the nitrogen from the system and create a vacuum until reaching about 500 microns of mercury. 8. Add a small amount of additional oil, close to the amount the compressor held in the crankcase, which can be done through the low-pressure port on the manifold gauge. Then, recharge with the correct amount of refrigerant, following the manufacturer's specifications, or until reaching a low-pressure reading of about 35 pounds per square inch with the engine idling. 9. Once maintenance is complete, turn on the air conditioning system and verify that it functions without unusual noises or irregularities, as these could indicate additional issues.